Now at 5, ban blocked. Indiana's abortion law is now on hold as clinic operators argue that it violates the state constitution.
Plus, a judge set to decide whether an adult baby store can stay open amid a zoning dispute. News 8 was in the courtroom as both sides make their arguments.
Agreement reached. Indianapolis settles a decade-long legal battle with Town and Terrace, but the city says the work is just beginning.
News 8 at 5 starts now.
And right now at 5 o'clock, pro-abortion activists are happy about a judge's suspension of Indiana's new abortion law.
This means abortion access has been restored in Indiana for now. News 8's Camila Fernandez explains.
We see this injunction as a victory. We know this is not the end of the fight.
A special judge has granted a preliminary injunction stopping the enforcement of the new abortion law temporarily. The ACLU sued to block the abortion ban. They say the Indiana Constitution includes a right to privacy and to make decisions on whether to have children. But the judge wrote in her ruling that whether a right to privacy exists in the state constitution is an open question. Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita said he plans to appeal the decision.
We feel strongly that the Indiana Constitution does protect a privacy right, which safeguards these type of intimate and important procreative decisions.
However, the court found also that the plaintiff's argument that, for example, the delicensing of abortion clinics violated the Constitution was not likely to succeed. And so they're going forward on the privacy claim alone.
Planned Parenthood in Indiana says it has resumed abortion care services. According to the interim CEO, Rebecca Gibran, the abortion law has negatively affected women in the state.
People who live in Indiana had to travel great distances to access an abortion. And in some cases, there were probably people who did not get the abortion that they needed because of those barriers to access care.
But Indiana Right to Life says they do not agree with the suspension.
Very disappointing, very saddening news today. It means abortion clinics will just continue business as usual in the state of Indiana. And it means that 161 unborn babies now will die from abortion every single week in the state of Indiana. We are confident the state will prevail. We're hopeful that this injunction will be brief. But the fact remains that every single day now that goes by with this law being blocked is a day when lives are going to be lost in our state. And that's the real tragedy here.
The group says they're hopeful that the blockage will be brief. Camila Fernandez, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
The Indianapolis doctor who drew national attention after performing an abortion on a 10-year-old rape victim from Ohio praised the ruling. She posted this on Twitter today. Today, the Indiana courts agreed that we have the human right to revive safe, legal abortion care in our home state. I will continue to provide this compassionate care each and every day. Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita criticized the move, writing in a statement to News 8, quote, "We plan to appeal and continue to make the case for life in Indiana. Our office remains determined to fight for the lives of the unborn, and this law provides a reasonable way to begin doing that."